Bad people, how are going? Welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Alkaline, Silkboss, and Qwella. So this update is one that you do not want to miss. Big up yourself like always. And to those who are new to the channel, welcome to the family. Please leave a subscribe or feel free to leave a like. Big up yourself and make a jump right into it. Alright, so we'll kick off this review with Silkboss. Viewers and subscribers, Silkboss head a chip. No joke, the entertainer made a post to his IG. I'm gonna read what it say. I'm gonna see what go on. Yeah man, from what you Silkboss, I make the people know say yo, him ready for a lyrical confrontation in a dancehall. But you know, you go have some people where I go remind the entertainer about the box them where him get couple months, or should I say couple years back. The entertainer head chip and he made a post to his IG. Like I said, I'm gonna read what it say, but first I'm gonna show you the comments.
Jordan, you're frost. Alright then. Streets don't know man.
Everybody know I be a box and kick you get, you shoulda never chose that song. You too talented for your push up in a things when I concern you. Go and focus on finding great songs and touring the world. Left this alone. Another comment. Me see why you get the box them. Me see why you get the box up them. So viewers and subs, the comments section full of that. Like everybody reminds Silkboss say yo him get box couple years ago. So him for steal the things we don't concern him. And I guess that's the reason why Silkboss made the post that he made on his IG. Check it out, viewers and subscribers. 22 and 25 are two different years. So for all who are talk about box, see me a road and try it. Was sick uno, suck out uno. Yeah man, so that's the post that the entertainer made on his IG story. The entertainer make you know say yo 22 and 25 are two different years. So I don't feel like say what happening back then in 22 I got happen again in 25. Yeah man, the people them are true Silkboss about the box them where him get, and viewers and subscribers, to be honest, me no like that move there, because the entertainer and his baby mother could have lost their lives that night. You see me, but the entertainer make dancer know say yo him ready for a lyrical confrontation. But me feel like any artist where I go clash Silkboss, I go use what happened to him back in 2022 for this him up wicked. But the entertainer ready for a clash. Viewers and subscribers, leave on the take down below in the comment section. So we have Neakofire, a burnout Alkaline latest single, Variety. Viewers and subscribers, the fans them have mixed feelings about the song. Neakofire and make a bag of talk. Yeah man, you must say the song is not ready. Alkaline if you take back the song and keep it in the studio. Viewers and subscribers are be things Neakofire talk. So just pre this.
That's not a priority. Alkaline, that's not a priority. When you go on back to on management, tell your sister, pack up your sister and tell her to go on. When you go on back to your old management, because that disgusting and that's not a priority. Want to easy 1, 2, 3 vibe. Want to baby make me spoil you, give you everything you like. Want to don't throw away the hall away. Want to song like them the vibe they want. Brother, you know not over the you know. You say they're not gonna make the artist get good production, good producer, good rhythm, and somebody write back some good song for him. I will just put him in a retirement from now. Make him retire, man. He can't retire if him not plan to do no more music. Because of this grace to dancehall. Brother, everything you drop just a miss up, not it. Them hype up this, you know, me never hear a selector play disgusting yet. Your last song where you drop, and you come with this. I'm never talk this, you know. You say as much as I massacre a coward, I massacre, me do a song for you and I'm drop you know. Pan clip, you know, with me and Jibber, you know. Me know you want to coward, you know, you're not going to answer, you know. But I one thing you can't say over there, so. Man, no shoot a bad song off of you know. And that me I tell you about, me have to give you props. Because you see your drop song, them eat. I just scope never eat what they are, because you are sell out. But me just going to say, Alkaline. What do to Caesar, I give to Caesar, you know, Alkaline, go retire. Retire, please, retire. Retire, man.
So Neakofire, I make Alkaline know say yo, the song Priority is not ready for the streets. Him also said the song Disgusting by Alkaline is also not ready for the streets. The entertainer needs new management and a new team around him. I know me say viewers and subscriber at Neakofire. Neakofire I diss up the artist. And me not think, to be honest, me not rate when you go tell the artist say yo, him need to retire. The artist retire when him feel like him need to retire, you see me? And the thing is, you know, viewers and subs, if you don't like the song, well, you know say other people out there are gonna like the song. Yeah man, Neakofire talk his mind. And you know, as the man always say, everybody has their own opinion. So viewers and subscribers, leave your opinions down in the comment section if you don't rate the song or if you don't. Like always, make we continue.
Yeah man people, so we're there with Browning, you know. We're there with Qwella.
Of course.
And I'm telling you, you know, she's a very important person for me. You understand? I one of my artists female. You understand? Me by one of my artists down there. We're not calling name right now. But you know the mermaid got to work. That will feed her a morning. Because she always deliver result. Anyways, see Qwella there.
Of course.
And I'm glad same day, you know. Because at the end of the day, my earth boy cut up with Browning. But him get a run for some fest. And they break through the right side. Remember me looking at crystal ball and you. So you see this will happen, I want to give him a chance. You understand? Because I'm do the right thing. Come to some agreement and everything will work out. You understand? So, you don't know Browning, it's a sad situation. Every man deserves a second chance.
Say man, Browning and Qwella link up back. And me no know, it seems like them good. And them settle everything. But you know the comments I go talk them mind. You know some people I go there in the comments and I say yo, Qwella do not deserve no second chance. While some I go say yo, Qwella deserve the chance and you know, a bag of things. So viewers, like always, leave a take in the comment section. You don't know, we not support no violence against any of the female them, none at all. You see me? Yeah man, big up a female them. You don't know how it go. Leave a take in the comment section. And as always, if you're new to over here, leave a subscribe. Feel free to leave a like.